In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can screenshot chat without them knowing on Snapchat. Taking a screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing may provide documentation of important information, preserve memorable moments, or serve as evidence when needed. However, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the importance of respecting others' privacy and trust in online interactions. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On my chat page, let's say you have just taken a chat screenshot, just like this one. Simply run to your Snap settings. On the Settings page, navigate into the section of Privacy Controls. Select this first option of Clear Data. Tap on this first option of Conversation Data. You will see the name of your friend you took a screenshot from. Tap on this X icon to clear your current conversation. By deleting your conversation, the notification that says you took a screenshot will also be cleared, and the best part is Snapchat don't send them any notification that you cleared your chat with them. So by any chance you see notice them offline, take a chat screenshot and make sure to follow these procedures. That's how easy it is to screenshot chat without them knowing on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.